Hey family, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, we are going to learn about how to book an appointment in Wells Fargo Bank. Just search on the Google Wells Fargo appointment and you will find this type of interface. You need to click on this official website link and wait until the page loads. For a better experience, sign on to the Wells Fargo online account. You can, and if you want to continue as a guest, then you can click on this. Now you need to select a reason for your visit. If you are going for the business purpose, you can select the business, but right now I want to go with the personal, so I'm going to select the personal. And for which service you want to visit and open an account, apply for credit card, and you can select the other option as well as. So please select your reason and then you need to click on the next icon. Please enter a zip code or city or state name here. Then click on the search icon and you will find the nearest branch as possible. So select your branch and click find next available date. Click on select this location. Now they are asking you to select the time of the day, morning or afternoon. So I am going to select the morning and you can select the time from here. After selecting time, you need to click on the next icon and wait for a while. So enter your first name, then last name, email address, your phone number, extension, and you can select the which type of number you are selecting, home, office or mobile number, you can select it. And you need to click on this check mark and then you need to click on the next icon. Congratulations, your appointment has been booked successfully. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.